Welcome to another XDP manufacturer Q&A. Today we're here with Ryan from ATS to talk more about their billet flex plates and what makes their products the right choice for your vehicle. So Ryan, what is the main function of a flex plate in your vehicle?
So the flex plate has a couple of functions. It's hooked to your crankshaft and hooked to your torque converter. So it's that one-to-one connection between your engine and your transmission.
Why would the flex plate need to be replaced?
The flex plate being that one-to-one connection, think of it like a fuse. So if you're towing heavy or if you got a little extra horsepower, the flex plate can break. So we make a flex plate out of better material so it doesn't break on you.
What makes ATS's flex plates different from the factory?
So the factory flex plate is made out of stamped steel. We use a high-grade aircraft aluminum and make a billet flex plate with a SFI-approved ring gear attached.
Are ATS flex plates compatible with stock and aftermarket torque converters?
So ATS's flex plate's a little unique. We have 12 bolt covers on our aftermarket torque converters, so our flex plates have 12 bolt holes. However, all 6 bolts on a factory torque converter will also fit on an ATS flex plate. So whether you have a factory torque converter or one of our aftermarket torque converters, it'll fit both.
What applications do you offer your flex plates for?
We have an application for everything light-duty diesel. So whether you have a GM, a Ram, or a Ford, we have a flex plate option for you.
A big thanks to Ryan from ATS for giving us the rundown of the ATS Billet Flex Plates. To find out more and get one for your truck, check out xdp.com or contact your local dealer.